Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to unblock Instagram on school Chromebook. Now first of all open the Chrome on your school Chromebook, and once you open it, so you will be at the home page. So on the bookmark or this list, you can say at this place, you can just right click with your mouse or the touchpad, and you will see this option called add page or add folder. So just choose add page, and once you choose add page, in the name section, a new tab, you can just write down IG, or if not IG, you can just simply write down Instagram. And once you write down Instagram, so in the section of URL, you can just copy this URL, the instagram.com, which is you can say the homepage of Instagram. Paste this URL, change the name, and click on save. And once you click on save, that will be listed here, or on the right side you can see an option called all bookmarks. You can just click here and you will be able to see the Instagram. So just click on it, and once you click on it, you will be able to see this interface and use Instagram on school Chromebook without facing any problem. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can fix this issue.